Good morning, class 8 students. Welcome back to Maths online class. We discussed the chapter 16, Playing with the Numbers. In the previous class, we found the properties of the numbers. We can do the exercise questions like puzzles today. But remember, there is no predefined steps to do this problem. Think and do. So let us watch the video and do the problems. Okay. Today we do the exercise 16.1. Find the values of the letters in the given questions. First one, 4a plus 98 gives CB3. Children, I told you there is no predefined steps. We have to think and answer the questions. Here, to get 3 here, we know that 8 plus any digit will not give 3, but 8 plus a number will give 13. Which is the digit? 5. A is equal to 5, then we will get 8 plus 5, 13. So, here put A equal to 5. Then we can find C and B. Add these two numbers, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 balance, then we will get here 14. So we can write in the place of B 4, C is equal to 1. So we can write A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1, right? So you can conclude the answer like this. Okay. Next question, 1a into a gives 9a. And the chances for a is first one a equal to 0. Then you know 0 into 0, here also 0 will get. If a equal to 5 also 5 into 5 unit place 5 will come. Next chance is a equal to 6. We know that 6 into 6 36. Then here also 6 will come. These are the three chances. But 0 into 0, 0 not possible, because if 1 together we take 10 into 0, the number will vanish. Next case, 15 into 5 we will get 75. Then we put a equal to 6, then 16 into 6, 96. Now it is correct. 9, 6, 96. So a equal to 6. Understood? Next one, AB plus 37 gives 6A. First chances for A. Here we are looking the chances for A, not B at first. Because B plus 7 is here A. So any number may come for B. So we assume A first. If A equal to 2, if remainder will come from here, then A equal to 2 is possible. Or if A equal to 3 also, 3 plus 3 we will get 6. So two chances for A are A equal to 2 and A equal to 3. First we can check if A equal to 2. If A equal to 2, here 7 plus which number will get here 2? 7 plus 5. Then this number will become 25 plus 37. So for A equal to 2, this has proved. That means 25 plus 37 will get 62. 2, 2. Here the same digit we got. So we can write A equal to 2, B equal to 5. Okay. If we put A equal to 3, here 3, B equal to 6 is not possible. Okay, if remainder come, A equal to 3 is not possible. So we can write A equal to 2, B equal to 5. Understood? Next question, AB into 3 equal to CAB. If B equal to 0, 0 into 3, 0. That's correct. Then if B equal to 5, 5 into 3, 15, then remaining 1, then A into 3 plus 1 will get CA. So we can check A equal to 5. A equal to 5, 5 into 3, 15. Here also 5 and 5 coming. So it is clear that B equal to 0 and A equal to 5. Then C will be 1, 150. So 50 into 3, 150. So A equal to 5. B equal to 0, C equal to 1. So children, you should think and practice these problems very easy. Next question, AB into 6 equal to BBB. That implies 3 digits should be same. If B into 6, when this B and B will be same, B equal to 0, 0 into 6 will come 0. But then these 3 digits will be 0. It is not possible because in the rule we told it first digit should not be 0. Then 0 is not possible. Next case is B equal to 2 or 4. 2 into 6, 12. 2 is, here also we will get 2. 4 into 6, 24. Then 4 and 4 will come. Then if B equal to 2, then B into 6, 12. Then 2, 1 balance. A into 6 plus these 2 will not get any 2 similar digits. So we will try A equal to 4. 24, 2 balance. Next case, here these 2 digits also 4. That means we should get 44. 44 with 2. That means a number plus 2 is 44. 6 into which digit is 42? 42 plus 2 is 44. So to get the product, which digit should be added here? 6 into 7, 42. So 42 plus 2 will become here 44. Then this 4, 4, 4 we will get. Therefore we have to substitute A equal to 7 here. So A equal to 7. B equal to 4 we already substituted. B equal to 4 we substituted. So the values are A equal to 7 and B equal to 4. Okay. So in this type of questions, children, you should think and practice. These are the puzzles here you have to solve. Next section is divisibility. Tests of divisibility. You know that a number is divisible by 10 when the one's digit is 0. You have already learned it in the lower classes. Then divisibility by 5 if the one's digit is 0 or 5. Children, we will continue divisibility section in the next class. So you practice puzzle questions from the exercise. Thank you. We can meet in the next session.